Okay, now let's see the linear search in pseudocode. Okay, so first of all, we have to predefine a function called linear search. And we gave it the data type int, which is integer. That means a whole number. And inside of it, we have the int list, which is the list that we saw previously that has different boxes and numbers. And we have the int key, which is the number that we are searching for. The second thing that we will do is the loop, and this is a for loop. Okay, so in j from 0, so we will start from 0. And we will see if it is smaller than list.length. So we will move along the entire list. For example, if the list that we have is from 0 to 5, the linear search will move from 0 to 5, so it will move 6 steps. And finally, we will have j plus 1, so the counter that we have will increase, in order to check all the numbers in the list to see if it can find our key, and it will start from 0. Then we will have if list j equal key. That means that equals the number we are looking for. We will have return j. That means return the index number of the box. Then we have end if. So we have to close the if after we finish the code inside of it. Then we have end for, so we close the for loop. Now, if it finds the key that we are looking for, then it puts the index number. However, if it doesn't find it in the array or the list, then we will have -1. This is why when we close the for loop, we put return -1, which means it didn't find the key. And finally, we have to close the function that we were working with, so end linear search, because we named it linear search. Okay, now let's see this example together. We have this list with the following numbers: 5, 7, 3, 9, 4, 6. Then we put print linear search list 3. So we want to see if we have number 3 in this list. And here in the code we agreed to return j. That means return the index number, the number of the box where we have the key. Okay, let's see it together. Here we have the position, so the index number of the box. What do you think the answer will be? It will be 2. Why? Because number 3, which is the key, is found in the list and index 2. Remember, we said we always start with 0. So 5 has the index number 0, 7 has the index number 1, and 3, which is the key, has the index number 2. Okay, now let's see another example. Print linear search list 6. So it has to search the list for number 6. What do you think the answer is? Try to think, what is the position or the index number of the key, which is 6? Okay, now let's see the answer together. The answer is 5. Why? Because the key, which is 6, is found in the index number 5. Let's see one more example. Print linear search list 2. What do you think the answer for 2 is? Now, if you look at the list, you can see that we do not have number 2. So when we are searching for a number that is not in the list, then the answer will be -1, because here we programmed it return -1. So it searched for number 2 and it couldn't find it in the list, and we coded it to give us -1 as the answer if it couldn't find the number in the list. So as you can see, the answer is -1.